让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hi everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. This month we're teaching your phrase, Are you free? Do you have time? 有空。
有閒。
有閒 Alright, 那我们来教导大家怎么样的状况会用到这个有空吗 OK, maybe 家里有的时候倒垃圾哦，
你有空吗？
我在玩电玩啊。你有空吗？去倒一下，还是其实有空，只是不想下去倒，就是懒惰而已。
没空。
对。Sometimes you're at home and you want to ask your family member to do something else for you, do a house chore for you. For instance, taking the trash out. You go, Hey, do you have time? Can you help us take out the trash? OK, 我们听一个这样的对话好了。
你要聽到垃圾車嘅聲麼？
當槍要用白係麼？
要係麼？聽數到垃圾好麼？按字say。
So let's break down this conversation line by line here, okay? The first line, 你有聽到垃圾車的聲音嗎? Do you hear the trash truck, the garbage truck?
有聽到垃圾車嘅聲麼？
有聽到垃圾車嘅聲麼 ？OK, 垃圾車就是
垃圾車
的 garbage truck. Do you hear the garbage truck? Because in Taiwan, there's a melody that plays. 台灣都會有一個旋律出現嘛。然後對方就說好像有啊，怎麼了？It's like, yeah, I hear it, and
當槍要用白係麼？
用板黑麼 OK 就是聽到了好像有啊。
對啊，怎麼了嗎？
那當然對方就是想要拜託一下你去倒垃圾了，對不對？ The person is actually asking you a favor to take out the trash. 有空嗎？幫忙倒垃圾好嗎？謝謝你。
有閒麼？聽數到垃圾好麼？
聽數到垃圾好麼？
自say
对，摊數就是幫忙嘛，對不對？這我們常常教。然後倒垃圾，垃圾 is trash. 倒垃圾 is to take out the trash, to dump the trash. 好嗎 Okay. And then 按字 say, you hear that every day actually on ICRT means thank you. Alright, let's review some of the phrases we taught you. But in particular, taking out the trash, the garbage truck, trash, how do you say that? 垃圾怎麼說？
垃圾。
然後要倒垃圾叫做
倒垃圾。
That means to dump the trash. And then a garbage truck, 垃圾車。
垃圾車。
Okay, let's hear the conversation again.
你要聽到垃圾車嘅聲麼？
當槍要用白係麼？
要係麼？聽數到垃圾好麼？按字 say。
And this month we're teaching you how to say 有空。
有閒。
That means, free time. And in the question form, do you have free time? There you have it, another round of Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
按字 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.